Good morning, Subhashri ji.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Namaste, namaste. Subhashri ji, few days back, I happened to see a video of yours feeding a mentally challenged person. It's grabbed my attention, and it's very heartening and very, very heart touching. So from that day onwards, I'm trying to talk to you and express my gratitude and appreciation the way you responded, being a human being. Really, I'm very, very happy.
My pleasure, sir.
I would like to ask you, what made you to react like that?
This is nothing special, sir. I did for her. When I offered my food, she was not in state to take it in her own hand and unable to take because she's physically not mentally challenged but also physically challenged.
I could see a compassionate mother in you.
Thank you, sir.
It's an inspiration to a lot of people. I'm sure you might have received appreciations from many corners all over the places.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha tweeted me, and my ADGP, sir, Arun Sarangi, always taught us not only you just serve like law and order and all this situation, you should have to responsible whenever they want and wherever they exactly need your service and your assistance and your help, sir. It is a real reward for me, sir. One thing, sir, I have just forgotten. I'm very much excited whenever when I heard from Mr. Anandji. When they told me about you, I just got excited when I will talk to him because apart from you are a megastar, you are also a social worker. I have seen so many cases of you and so many. I have seen you so many seminars regarding an initiative of tourism development of India, sir. So I am a big fan of you, sir. I like you, sir. I like your personality, sir.
Thank you so much. Really, I'm so happy talking to you.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure.
Keep doing like that.
Yes, sir,
the same
definitely.
way you extend your
blessing me, sir.
services to human race and human. God bless you. God bless you. All the very best.
Namaste, sir. Bless